Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to distort audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first, let me show you the audio that we're working with. Alright, so now that you've heard it, let's go and add a distort audio effect into it. So go into the effects panel and type in distort in the search bar and go for distortion right here under audio effects and drag it into your audio clip. And then after that, all you have to do now is basically just click here under presets, and you have some presets right here that you can choose. So most of the time you would already have what you need right here. All you have to do is experiment with this one right here. So in my case, I'll just go for snake skin. And then after that, I can now play this audio, and this is how it would sound like. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.